tomorrow you'll see the sun come shining through for you.
What is up, you guys? Welcome to today's video. Oh my god, you guys, it is Halloween, and I don't care if it's only like October 1st. I love Halloween, and if you guys are new to my channel, just know that I have loved doing Halloween looks in the past. If you guys haven't seen those, go ahead and check them out. But here I'm doing the Joker since it is coming out, or I think it's already out at this point, but I'm just so excited to do this. I did not have everything that I would like to have, so I just painted like the outfit and everything, and it turned out way better than I thought it would. I picked up this little face paint from Amazon. It's like a Makeup Forever Flash Palette dupe, and it works really well, and I'm really excited about how pigmented the colors are. So I'm really excited to do some other looks. If you guys want to, go ahead and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any future Halloween looks on my channel. But without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into this little tutorial here. The first thing I did was just did my base of my face, which was just white. I did scrunch up my face a little bit to make it a little more wrinkly and crinkled, and then just drawing the little triangles that he had above his eyebrows, or on his eyebrows I should say. I just used a picture for reference and just kind of looked at that and then just decided where I needed to place more like shadowing and the colors and shapes and everything. So definitely find a reference picture while you do this. It will help you a ton. Basically what I'm doing is just shadowing and just shaping up the structure of my face. Since I am pretty round and I'm a female, I need to have those structures like he does because I'm round in the face and he is not, so. Here I colored in with the red from the little face paint, but then I went on top of it with a red liquid lipstick just to deepen it up and make it look darker. And I gotta tell you guys, it took me a couple times to get this right. I had to kind of wipe off some stuff and then redo it a few times to kind of get it where I would like it to be, and it was still not perfect. So definitely practice makes perfect. Don't think it's just gonna happen the first try, and don't get stressed out if it doesn't either. Like, don't give up. To do my hair, I actually put some white face paint down first and then put the green on top. time you do something like this, whether it's with eyeshadow or your hair or whatever, white always makes other colors stand out and get more brighter. So the white just kind of helped enhance the green. Since I have pretty dark hair, I didn't want to actually dye my hair or go buy a wig, so this is what I did, and it worked out pretty dang good. Alright guys, and that is everything for this video. I really hope you guys like this type of video. If you guys did, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button, and I'll see you guys in a future video. Bye guys!